Hi everyone and welcome to the Tech Hub Wilts UK. I'm Ash, and if you love great tech without spending a fortune, you're in the right place. Here on the channel, I specialise in Apple, GoPro and Ring products, but it's not just those. I cover all kinds of technology, helping you discover quality gadgets at affordable prices. I create honest reviews, buyer's guides and tips to help you make smart choices when buying pre-owned and budget techs. From the latest Apple devices to GoPro cameras, Ring smart home products and other tech gadgets, I'll show you what's worth buying and what to watch out for. So you'll get the best value for your money. So whether you're hunting for a budget Apple gadget, a GoPro for your next adventure, or a Ring device for your home, or any cool tech, Tech Hub Wilts UK has you covered. If you love saving money on tech, finding hidden gems in the pre-owned market, and getting honest advice on gadgets, hit that subscribe button and join the community. You can follow me on Instagram and Threads at Tech Hub Wilts UK, and check out my website at www.techhubwiltsuk.co.uk. Thanks for stopping by, and I can't wait to share all this amazing tech with you.